like they say, there's no business like small business, and at Robeson Community College, they have the workshops you need to help get your business ideas off the ground so that you can be successful in your business ventures. Here to talk to us more is Small Business Center Director Debbie Bruce. Debbie, is it true that these classes are free?
Yes, they are.
Well, that's amazing. How's that possible?
Well, at the Small Business Center, we offer free webinars, seminars and it's open to everybody. The funding comes from the state of North Carolina.
And what types of classes do you offer?
We offer online seminars and we offer in-person webinars. So what we do is we can go out to a location, and some of the classes that we offer are things like how to start a business, how to write a business plan, do basic bookkeeping, and there's many more. And like I said, it is free and it is open to everyone.
You said these classes are available to take online and in person?
Yes.
Okay.
They're on our website, and it's under Small Business Center. You can just click, go on there, you can register. And for the in-person classes, you just come to the webinar. It has times and dates listed, and it'll have the location, and you just show up and we'll do a registration at that time.
Well, I understand that you also offer counseling services to businesses, like current businesses. What is that about, and why do you offer that?
We do offer counseling for anybody that wants to start up a business or that maybe wants to expand their business or grow their business. What they do is that they would contact me here on campus in Building 18 at Robeson Community College, and what we would do is we would just do an assessment of where they're at, what they need, and we would offer resources for them.
All right, well, there may be someone who owns a small business or is interested in owning a small business. What are some of the hurdles that you've experienced or have you seen?
At the Small Business Center, we see a lot of different types. A lot of them are small business owners come in. They maybe did not budget for extra expenses. They may have issues hiring employees, and they may, their personal finances, they tend to mix with the business accounts, which is a no-no.
Well, I'm curious, do you get a lot of students coming through your doors that are interested in starting up a small business?
Yes, we get a fair amount. I'd like to see more. I'd like to see them come and see me and sign up for some of the classes, and because here at Robeson Community College, a lot of the programs align perfectly with starting a small business.
Perfect. Well, I know entrepreneurship gives you a lot of freedom. So let's hear a student testimonial from one of your students now. So this is Tyree. She's a student here at Robeson Community College. How did the Small Business Center help you with your business goals?
So it helped me by offering the FREE classes, which are free for all types of things for my business, such as classes like how to start a business, cash flow, bookkeeping, and things like that. So I took those classes, and they were free. That's my favorite word, free.
So what type of business, can you share with us, what type of business that you have?
Yes, I have a transportation business, Totally Driven is what it's called, and it's a non-emergency medical transport business.
And so what inspired you to look into classes?
I always knew what I wanted to do, a transportation business. So I was like, Robeson Community College really can help me, hone on to what I already know that I want to do. So I just called Ms. Bruce, set up classes, and I've been going here about 2.5 years now.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So what would you say to someone who's looking to start their own business?
I would tell them to come here because the classes are free, FREE, and you can also get counseling, you can get help. Because you might have your path, but you might need somebody to help you to hone on where you need to go in your business. So RCC is a good place to help you do that. And the Small Business Center, Ms. Bruce, she's awesome. So she's been a great person to help me, and she's really been leading me and guiding me. So this is like one of the best choices I ever made in my life, to come here to get help with my business.
Well, I can't wait to hear about your business success because I know you'll be successful. Thank you so much for watching. The information's on the screen, and we'll see you next time on the Carolina Beat.